Today we're making vanilla pastry cream. The first thing you want to do before making anything, especially something like pastry cream, is scale out all your ingredients and get all your equipment set up that you will need. It really helps you have a successful bake. The first thing we're going to do is add the milk and 1/2 of the sugar into a pot. Don't put it over heat yet, just combine them. Then in a bowl you're going to mix the eggs and egg yolks, whisk those until they're smooth, then add the cornstarch and whisk that until smooth. Cornstarch can leave a few lumps, so you just want to be careful to look out for those. Then you're going to add the second half of the sugar and whisk that all until smooth and set it aside. You're going to cook the milk and sugar and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. And we're going to temper the egg mixture by pouring about half of the milk into the eggs. You want to do this very slowly while you're whisking at the same time. Then we're going to pour that all back into the pot to cook it until it's thick. Tempering the eggs helps to slowly bring them to heat so they don't scramble, because the last thing we want is scrambled pastry cream. So you're going to cook this over low heat until it's nice and smooth and thick. And then you're going to bring it off of the heat, add the vanilla and the butter. And if you'd like, you can pour it through a fine mesh strainer. I like to do this just to make sure I'm getting any little lumps of egg or anything like that out of it. Nice and smooth, looking so good. Then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap, and you want the plastic wrap to completely touch the pastry cream to avoid it from getting a skin. Once the pastry cream has chilled in the fridge for a few hours or overnight, you're going to mix it up with a whisk to get it nice and smooth. I find it really thickens up in the fridge because of the cornstarch. So all you need to do is mix it with the whisk and it gets really nice and smooth. I prefer a thicker pastry cream that doesn't run out of things as soon as you cut into them. And here you go. It is a delicious treat that you can fill cupcakes, cakes, tarts, anything you'd like.